अगर आप कहोगे कि somebody who's even more popular has even a bigger following, but Ali has made Guddu or Divindu has made Munna what it is, what these characters are. तो मेरी कोशिश हमेशा यही रहेगी कि मैं अपनी popularity, अपनी power, अपनी voice use करूँ to tell the kind of stories that I think raise the bar of emotions, raise the bar of feeling. क्योंकि हम इतना अपने इसमें घुस चुके हैं कि वो सिर्फ ये रिलेशनशिप मैटर करने लगी है.
Absolutely.
We need to raise hands and voices and opinions because ये बहुत जरूरी है. क्योंकि जो भी चीज सही हो रही है फिर वो हर जगह सही होगी और जो चीज गलत हो रही है वो हर जगह गलत होगी.
That's it.
Be the what's happening in the world or what's happening in the industry or what's happening with our work. इतना सब ऑलरेडी चल रहा है. You want a relationship to be as transparent, as simple, as Disney as possible.
एक्टर बनने की उस दिन क्या एक सा कौन सा मोमेंट था जब बोला था मैं एक्टिंग करूंगी?
एक्टिंग का तो वो कीड़ा अगर बचपन में काट ले और मुझे याद है.
For all film related interviews, reviews and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Hi Shweta, lovely to meet you. So your तो आपका गोलू दी is like your name now for life, हाँ? आपका I can see गोलू दी written there.
हाँ, actually वो मुझे change करना भी नहीं आता है, but I don't mind this because अब पता है एक season 3 के बाद ना there is this madness, there's a shift in energy which I can feel because literally so I was हम लोग travel कर रहे थे and there was this lady security जो check करते हैं.
हाँ.
तो उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है. तो मैंने कहा कि अभी हमारा शो है नेटफ्लिक्स पे, आप देखिएगा ये काली काली आंखें. तो शी से हाँ ठीक है पर मैंने आपको कहीं और भी देखा है. सो देन आई सेड कि गजगामिनी गुप्ता मिर्जापुर से एंड शी स्टार्टेड डांसिंग एंड आई वाज लाइक वाओ, इफ दिस इज हाउ गजगामिनी कैन मेक वुमेन फील, इट मेक्स मी एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी. तो वो जो एक मजा आता है जब you see that because of the work that you've done or the characters that have been created, ये जो प्यार मिलता है ना, that's very heartwarming.
I'm sure, but the thing is when we spoke about Golu earlier this year, I relate to Golu because she's also हम जैसे छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका because 5 foot nothing like literally me also, but also she says things जो दिल में है वो बाहर आ जाता है. And sometimes आजकल के जमाने में that day I just ranted, I'm expressing myself but people didn't like it. And somewhere you're like, no, I should apologize. I should. वो आपके शिखा वाला character आ जाता है. I shouldn't have said that. मैं क्यों ना बोलूं यार? So I think Golu was a whole lot of things. So where is she going in? अभी क्या facet नजर आएगा इसका हमें आने वालों seasons में?
Even I'm waiting and I keep annoying Gurupa saying कि बता दो कुछ तो बता दो because वो जो फीलिंग होती है ना जब एपिसोड ताजा आपको ईमेल आती है, एपिसोड 1 सीजन 4, oh my god, I can't tell you that feeling because you are so excited and anxious to read because you want to like what has been written because बहुत मेहनत से बहुत सोच विचार से ये लिखा गया है. So that moment is very special. I'm waiting for that email to come. Otherwise I have an idea मोटा but छोटा तो अभी धीरे करके पता चलेगा. But I cannot wait. I love these characters, be it Shikha, be it Golu, and that is one thing that I love about OTT and series is that you keep meeting them. Like it's a relationship. चाहे जैसे for example I love Shalu but I'll never get to meet Shalu ever again. But with Golu and Shikha, I want to meet them. I want to be them. I want to be that Kanya Max as Shikha and I want to be Veera Max as Golu.
Awesome. वैसे गोलू की कोई हैबिट आप में वैसे घुस गई है, लाइक अंदर आ गई है, बिकॉज टू लिव विद अ कैरेक्टर, टू इनहैबिट हर माइंड स्पेस एंड हर बॉडी लैंग्वेज एवरीथिंग, आई एम श्योर यार वो कहीं पे सीप इन होएगा बिकॉज आई मीन आई रिलेट टू गोलू इन मोर वेज देन व्हेन आप कहीं पे आया है गोलूनेस.
इन सिचुएशंस जहाँ पे मुझे अगर थोड़ा शिकार लग जाता है तो आई ट्राई टू चैनल माय गोलू कि नहीं अभी इस सिचुएशन में गोलू क्या करती, बिकॉज शी इज मोर प्रैक्टिकल. I think I as Shweta am way more emotional. So she is a good balance that whenever you think you're आप बह रहे हो emotions में, so just मतलब वो लगाम लगाना होता है ना कि one second, सारी चीजें साइड करो, मुद्दा क्या है, चीज क्या है, इशू क्या है, लेट्स सी दैट हेड ऑन. So but the scary bit is that sometimes जो ऐसी वीरा हेवी कैरेक्टर्स जो होते हैं या जो लोग होते हैं वो इतना प्रैक्टिकल बन जाते हैं कि उनका इमोशनल साइड एकदम बह जाता है. So in real life I try to balance that, but I think Golu ka bhi drawback as a character, that is not drawback, but that will be a power block, that she is now so driven by the power she feels. Because ऐसा तो नहीं है ना, मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें गलत भी हो रही है, सही भी हो रही है, और यहाँ पे हम कोई मॉरल लेसन किसी को नहीं दे रहे हैं, हम एजुकेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम एंटरटेन कर रहे हैं, और एंटरटेन करते करते अगर किसी को कुछ सीखने को मिल जाए then very good. So Golu का like even बैठने का तरीका, like you know, that is very cool. I like that the way she expresses herself, like you said, उसको डर नहीं है,
जो हम सब
वो
में
निडर है. She is fearless, and I love that, and I want not just you and I want more girls to know that, or boys for that matter, we all have that power. Let nobody take that power away from you to voice your opinion, to raise your hand, to ask questions.
Absolutely, the high five to Golu, but just tell me, your poor husband, does he get a little confused about whose mask you are wearing? आज मैं किससे मिल रहा हूँ?
With
Because
Cheetah,
Deepika Padukone said that it happens with her and Ranveer. She gets confused as to which personality she's meeting. तो आपके घर में क्या केस है?
Mera with Cheetah, actually, I'm the silliest with him. I behave so stupid with him, and I think that is when I'm alone, I don't behave like this. I don't know what it is. When he's there, I just start dancing funny. I start singing. So I think he literally sees a side of me which even I don't see. So, and I miss that because मतलब बाकियों के साथ भी I behave silly and stupid, but not इतना ज़्यादा. Otherwise, we just try to keep it as light as possible, because I think be the what's happening in the world or what's happening in the industry or what's happening with our work, इतना सब already चल रहा है. We want our relationship to be as transparent, as simple, as Disney as possible, because वहाँ पे ड्रामा नहीं चाहिए. ड्रामा जिंदगी का समझने के लिए और जूझने के लिए ये सिंपल होना बहुत जरूरी है. So like for example, even if we have an argument or a fight, we sort it out as soon as possible, because मुझे और उसे दोनों को सर दर्द हो जाता है.
Absolutely. और इंस्टाग्राम पे ज्यादा डालने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, because the best relationships are never there.
True, and that's what Cheetah says कि मैं तो reality उतना दिखा भी नहीं रहा हूँ जो हम लोग हैं. And again, the reason we put it, because we want to tell people कि है प्यार, है अच्छाई है, friendship है, partnership है, respect है.
Absolutely, that's what matters. Now coming to your other character, Shikha, who is the polar opposite of Golu. I mean, जितना गोलू है निडर, उतनी सुंदर सुशील लड़की जिसको हम घर मामा पापा के पास लेके जाते हैं, वो है हमारी शिखा. But
Correct.
so self-sacrificing, so I mean, could you relate to her at any level? At any level, like, or did you want to shake her up, saying like, "Woman, stand up for yourself"?
So in season 1 it was this.
Yeah.
कि मुझे लग रहा था कि कितना प्यार, क्या प्यार, क्यों प्यार. In season 2, I think I understood her more, because the thing is that she is a very simple, and जैसे आपने कहा सुंदर सुशील, she doesn't want to upset anybody. She is a girl who has seen simple dreams, छोटा सा घर, छोटी सी गाड़ी, उसको, and वो खुश है उसमें. उसके इतने कोई एम्बिशन नहीं है जैसे जो गोलू के होंगे. पर वही सिंपल चीज में जब ऐसी कोई चीज आ जाए, then what do you do? Like the thing is that even if I feel that, how can I tell Shikha or as Shikha be away from Vikrant or not feel for Vikrant? Because Vikrant की क्या गलती है? वो तो try कर रहा है. And I feel Shikha the kind of girl, she's very understanding and she has a lot of empathy, which is why that now she's married to somebody. So even if, like, for example, even if nobody is watching, her moral compass is very strong. She is not going to do anything that she thinks should not be done. तो अभी आई थिंक हम सीजन 3 में वही देख के कि क्या करो यार, ये इतना अच्छा प्यारा एक पति मिला है जो सब कुछ दे रहा है which a girl would want, but आपका दिल तो कहीं और अटका हुआ है.
Which is true. It is a very like, but being like Mirzapur season 4, this 3, living these characters over and over again, do you think it sometimes gets too much and you want to just like end? As you said, it's like meeting a friend over and over again. Or is it exciting, or sometimes do you think it just gets a bit much and you actually want to like completely dismantle it and go towards something else?
गैप इतना हो जाता है ना कि आई एम तो एक्चुअली हंग्री टू मीट देम. अगर ये बैक टू बैक हो रहा होता देन आई एम श्योर देयर वुड बी लाइक अरे नीड अ टाइम आउट. बट हियर बिकॉज now I'm also way closer to the directors than I was in season 1. There's an understanding, there's more collaboration. So I am a very angry cutlet, as you know. So I like to be involved from the beginning. तो अब धीरे 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 करके चाहे शिखा हो या गोलू हो, I really enjoy being them because the fun part is that as Shweta, hopefully, I'm growing and I'm evolving. But these characters की जिंदगी में तो सिर्फ एक ही हफ्ता हुआ है या मैक्सिमम एक महीना हुआ है. तो how to unlearn that, and that unlearning is the key. कल ही मैंने ये फिल्म देखी, ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म अली एंड रिचा की गर्ल्स विल बी गर्ल्स.
Oh, I love it. I loved it.
So good, excellent. And
Preeti was so good as an actor, and it's a simple story.
या और मुझे वो देख के ना हरामखोर की याद आई और मुझे अपनी भी खुद की याद आई और मुझे वही प्रीति को भी देख के लगा कि इट्स सो नाइस क्योंकि जब आप जितना अपना एज के साथ समझ ज्यादा आती है एक्सपीरियंस के साथ, which is a good thing. But sometimes your characters are not as smart or as advanced or as evolved as you. So that's why you need to dial back. Like for example, जैसे आपने कहा ना कि शिखा को शेक करके कुछ बोलना, but वो शिखा की दुनिया में ये नहीं है, उसके पास श्वेता का वो ये सब नहीं है, whatever. तो वो मजा आता है to revisit the characters, to figure out कि अब कौन कहाँ क्या कर रहा है, क्या फील कर रहा है, क्या करना चाहता है, ड्रीम्स क्या है. Like even गोलू now, that ठीक है अब गुड्डू हो गया and season 3, अब now what? So it's always very exciting. I like going back to both Shikha and Golu a lot.
And also, I just feel it's very nice and exciting times for the fact that, you know, actors are being celebrated and stories are being celebrated because nobody's drawn towards the stardom. And agar aap dekho, so the kind of films that have done well are the more content driven, not led by big. Do you feel that OTT space mein a lot of people feel ki stars ka aana, let the space be for the actors. Aap apni badi karo. What do you have to say?
Yeah, I feel कि stars का अपना एक value and glitz and glamour and हमारी भी eyes sparkle करती है जब हम stars को देखते हैं.
But does it take away from the narrative? I mean, sorry, interrupting you.
So I feel casting is very important. Stars should be casted for parts where they do justice because we have phenomenal actors like be it Alia Bhatt, be it Ranveer. I would love to work with all of them because don't even need to give a reason. But at the same time, की script और story क्या demand करती है? Like for example, अगर गुड्डू अली की जगह मतलब अली मेरी आंखों में star है.
Yeah.
But अगर आप कहोगे कि somebody who's even more popular, has even a bigger following, but Ali has made Guddu or Divyenndu has made Munna what it is, what these characters are. That's why casting is very important. But what is also very important is for audience to watch the kind of content, towards the kind of stories that they want to see more of. Like for example, Kalkoot. And not because I am a part of the show. वो मैं तो छोटा सा एक हिस्सा हूँ उस शो का. It's such a well written, directed, acted show. गोपाल जी हैं उसमें, गोपाल दत्त. Vijay has done a phenomenal job. But a lot of people are not talking about that. I want people to see that because it's a story that needs to be seen and felt and understood. तो मेरी कोशिश हमेशा यही रहेगी कि मैं अपनी popularity, अपनी power, अपनी voice use करूँ to tell the kind of stories that I think raise the bar of emotions, raise the bar of feeling. क्योंकि हम इतना अपने इसमें घुस चुके हैं कि वो सिर्फ ये relationship matter करने लगी है.
Absolutely. And you're talking about lead relationship. आपने बताया followers. Some young actors told me they actually audition on the basis of उनकी Instagram की following कितनी है यार. वो हमारे साथ भी है. Sister, हमारे साथ भी है. We are only
What do
given
you mean?
interviews. You have to be an influencer journalist to get interviews. Where are we going? The unleashed
What?
gold. Yes, it's the truth. Don't you know? It's the truth.
I had no clue.
Of course. जो आपके साथ हो रहा है वो यहाँ भी हो रहा है. On and off camera, same story, sister. We have to unleash
That's
our
the which is why we need to वही raise hands and voices and opinions because ये बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि जो भी चीज सही हो रही है फिर वो हर जगह सही होगी और जो चीज गलत हो रही है वो हर जगह गलत होगी.
That's it. इसी पे तो मैंने वॉइस रेस की थी और मुझे बोला गया था how can you shame people? I'm not shaming people. I'm just saying I'm standing up for my people. That so
Correct.
this is interesting that you say because it's a thing because now in our country everyone is a sports critic, a film critic. But talking about movies, as you said, like even like a girls will be girls, which I feel every young girl, young adult should watch. We don't have enough movies like that. Because screens कहाँ हैं? Screens कहाँ हैं? Somewhere वो OTT पे आ जाती है, so you're like, चलो यार देख लो. But for these films, don't you feel that's also a concern?
I think screens अगर हैं भी तो audience को अब ना because of the lockdown, this is my understanding. अब वो ना अगर आपको थिएटर जाना है तो you want a theatrical experience. आपको जो एक इंटीमेट व्यूइंग होती है जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई लव वाचिंग फिल्म एंड सीरीज अलोन क्योंकि मैं उसमें बह जाती हूँ. जब मैं कुछ देख रही होती हूँ आई लाइक टू क्राई, आई लाइक टू लाफ, if I want to pause, I want to rewind, which might not be the same case for the person of the people watching with me. As opposed to let's say a film like मैदान जो कि एक स्पोर्ट्स फिल्म है, आई थिंक उसका मजा थिएटर में साथ में जब देखते हैं बिकॉज एक वो कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग वाली जो फीलिंग होती है. सो आई थिंक नाउ डिपेंडिंग ऑन द स्टोरी एंड द एक्सपीरियंस दैट द फिल्म हैज टू ऑफर it will be decided कि कहाँ होनी चाहिए.
Absolutely. No, that's interesting you said. But I also like your journey or somebody, your dad being in the civil services. I mean, I can relate to it. I come from the armed forces. My mom being a teacher, yours is similar. Delhi, traveled around the world. And it's really funny because, you were an assistant director, producer, fashion भी कर लिया. Actor बनने की उस दिन क्या एक सा कौन सा moment था जब बोला था मैं acting करूंगी? And which was that one moment that proved I have arrived as an actor.
एक्टिंग का तो वो कीड़ा अगर बचपन में काट ले और मैं एग्जैक्टली मुझे याद है पॉन्ड्स का ऐड आता था ना गूगली वूगली वुश, वो जब मैं देखती थी ना मुझे लगता था कि मुझे वो ऐड करना है स्पेसिफिकली नहीं कि कोई भी ऐड, वो ऐड करना है गूगली वूगली वुश का. जो मैगी के भी जो एड्स आते थे ना वो बहुत ऐसे होलसम होते थे एंड ग्रोइंग अप मैगी वाज माय फेवरेट. मैं पैसे बचा बचा के वो 5 रुपए का आता था 5 रुपए करके
the price 5 रुपए मैगी.
अब 5 रुपए तो क्या ही है. तो वो आई लाइक व्हाट आई सॉ ऑन स्क्रीन एंड आई लाइक जब पृथ्वी थिएटर इनफैक्ट आई रिमेम्बर दिस आल्सो आई डिडंट इवन नो कि पृथ्वी थिएटर कहाँ है, क्यों है, कैसे है. आई हैड गॉन टू कमानी ऑडिटोरियम क्योंकि पृथ्वी थिएटर फेस्टिवल चल रहा था और वहां पे यशपाल जी का एक शो था एंड मैंने जब उनको देखा ना ऑन स्टेज परफॉर्मिंग, the power that you have, it's almost magical that you have over people. I was envious of that. I was like, I want to have this control over people where you're telling your story and they're connected with you. तब तो फोन भी नहीं होते थे तो इतना डिस्ट्रैक्शन नहीं होता था. But I love that how people who were in the audience, we were one with the performance. That is what I really used to like. मुझे नहीं पता था कि फिल्में होंगी, OTT तो किसी को क्या ही पता था. तो मैं I was chasing the joy of storytelling, and that is still something that I'm chasing, and I think I will always chase.
Awesome. वैसे ऐसा कोई सेट था जब आपको लगा कि हाँ श्वेता you're doing okay? Like पहले I'm sure the first film would have been scary, second, third, then you had a Masan, and then all these came. Any moment when you felt, beta, you're going on the right way?
More than being on a set, I think when you read the reviews, which I actually, so I don't read a lot of reviews or comments. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है भाई कि आप अगर अच्छा पढ़ रहे हो तो फिर वो आपको जो क्या रिव्यूज टचवुड अच्छे ही रहे so far. But comments में भाई किसी का मूड खराब है, somebody is constipated और इसलिए उन्होंने लिख दिया है, वो मुझे नहीं जानना है. Because we are humans at the end of the day.
Yeah.
और कहीं कहीं I'm a very emotional being. So I do not want to be affected by. So, but revisiting, I think, sets of Mirzapur or Yekali Khale when you go back, because the crew is also almost the same. तो वहाँ जो एक sense of belonging है ना, that feels amazing.
But lovely meeting you. अभी अपनी शहर दिल्ली में भी मिलते हैं कभी कभी.
100%. Next time I am coming to Delhi, I am going to.
पक्का से. I am looking forward to that.
Thank you. Bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.